Yes, we are back with the interview section where we get to talk to different people who are making a difference in different industries. And today we have an icon in the music industry, and the Rwandans definitely love to hear him and see him. Thank you so much for joining us in the studio.
Yeah, thank you so much for letting me be here.
Yes,
yeah,
so it's Emmy in the house.
Emmy in the house.
We know you. You're a classic.
Know? Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes, from the good old days.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I appreciate that.
Thank you so much for coming through.
Yeah, thank you.
How are you doing?
Oh.
How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing well. I'm married. I changed my identity.
Yeah.
Yes. No pun intended.
Yeah, so yeah, I'm good.
All right. So we all know that you don't stay in Rwanda. You're based outside. So how does it feel to come back home and meet your country people?
Yeah.
I mean, and vibe with the people that raised you.
Man, it's always good. It's always good to meet, your people, family. But also, it's kind of stressful because most of the time when you come here, you have like a couple weeks.
Yeah, limited time.
You don't have enough time just to meet everyone.
Definitely.
So that's kind of stressful to organize, like how people you will meet, stuff like that.
Yeah.
Most of the time when you left, you have a problem with people.
Yeah.
Because they say like, why you
You
didn't see me,
didn't-
I missed you, whatever, blah, blah, blah. But it's all good, it's all good.
Yeah.
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 And the catching up is really not that, much.
Yeah.
So you've been in the industry for, a very, very long time with the likes of the bands and the Medis. How do you compare the old times and the new times with the new talent that has been in the industry so far? And, tell us about it.
Yeah, so now what I like just for the artists now, they have kind of what I can say, communication is good between the artists. So before it wasn't like this. I think that it was yesterday. I was in the studio. Man, I was happy to see artists together. They tried to help. It was one artist who was just recording. That everybody was there, tried to help him. I like the way now the artists they try to help each other. So that was very good thing I saw in the music, in the industry in general. So other things just the way the internet is getting everywhere. The internet is getting everywhere. So now each house has Wi-Fi.
Can have access to broadband.
Yeah. So it was, that's two things just I saw.
Okay. So I was about to ask you, like I said, you started off, you were there ever since the beginning. You have something that you contributed to the music industry as the people of today are learning from. How does it feel to be able to be that person that the young artists of today are looking up to?
So what I can say is just what I saw just in the music is just to work hard and never give up. That's what I can tell. That's what I can say or tell them. It's just to never give up, keep pushing, because it's not easy. It's actually it's in everything. The start is always hard. But also to stay in the game. Also, it's more
complicated.
So what I can tell them is just to never give up, keep pushing. Try to be what I can say. To be just to adapt.
With the different times, with their changes.
Always being on point. Okay, so still talking about your music career, this is going to be a hard one. When you compare to these new songs that you're doing versus the old songs that you did,
it's
what
kind of
part
different.
of exactly? So it is different that we see it, but what part of music does Emmy love? The old Emmy or the new Emmy?
That's a very hard question because
it's all
you.
Let me tell you something. Actually, before. I couldn't believe that I was sing like Afrobeat the way I do right now. I couldn't believe, and it was very hard to switch. To switch. Before when I started my music, I was inspired by those American stars, R&B stars, R. Kelly, Chris Brown. That inspired me when I started my music. And at the end, African music, it came just something big, and I started to think about how I can switch to start just thinking about to do Afrobeat. And So switching from R&B to Afrobeat wasn't easy, but now I can tell, like, man, I can tell you guys I'm very comfortable in Afrobeat.
You are?
Yeah.
That's great to hear.
Because I feel more comfortable in a way I can't tell you guys. Yeah, because it's natural. This is who I am, you know. Because those kind of R&B, it has that kind of keys, just different. So you have to sing and the stuff. You have to be like whatever those American stars that is. But when you sing Afrobeats, it's just how you feel.
Yeah.
Yeah, you feel the beat and then it's just
You just vibe.
Yeah.
Yes. So speaking of your new change of status, your new identity.
Yep.
Yes. So I personally love that video. It's
Oh, yeah?
And you have a beautiful wife.
Okay, thank you so
please,
much.
Please tell her that.
I will.
Yes. So,
I think she's watching also.
all right, she definitely will. So let's first take a look at the video.
exactly.
We'll be right back to talk about it more.
Thank you. Shit. This is the dead, no more waiting. This is the dead, no more waiting. Baby, this is the dead, no more waiting. This is the dead, no more waiting. Shit. How about that? How about that? How about that? Baby, no more waiting. No more waiting. Baby, no more waiting. Yeah, baby, no more waiting. Baby, no more waiting. How about that?
No lying, you're just a vibe in this.
This song is a
energy,
hit.
yeah.
Thank you so
It's
much.
amazing. The beats, the verse, the
Yeah.
words.
Okay.
And
Your
the video,
lady, the
vixen,
video.
you know?
Ooh.
Yeah,
Which part do you
everything is
like?
beautiful.
My favorite part is the part where it stops and then the beat comes in. The part where it's like a pause.
Yeah. It's like a bridge.
Yes, that bridge. And then, yes. Yeah, this is a vibe. So tell us, why did we know where the inspiration came in, but like, what made you feel like, okay, I should do this?
Of course, I have to do it because I'm an artist. I've been singing for others, so there's no way I'm
It was the right
there,
time
I
to
couldn't
sing
do
for your
anything,
own,
you
yeah?
know?
Yes.
So that was a master, but it took me time to figure out what kind of beat she will like, and what kind of beat, just it can be everybody can feel comfortable, It has that kind of a
Yeah.
The Afrobeat
Even
part.
the old people, the young people,
Yeah.
they can just feel the beat. And also, I want to thank the guy. He's an artist. His name is Rumaga. I think you know him. The guy. He helped me to write the song.
Okay.
We write it together. So yeah. Yeah,
Yes.
pretty much that's it.
Can I ask the question before I forget it?
Okay.
So here is what fans think when married artists actually bring a song on our screens of they're married people. So how does it feel, first of all, to write a song for your own, and then what does it take for you to do that? Because I feel like you finding the right words can be a little bit difficult, or does it take you a long time? How do you do it for it to actually come to come to life and we seeing it?
I mean, like when it's about your
lady.
your wife.
Or does
your
it
lady.
come easily?
Oh, man, it's kind of, I can say, I was kind of nervous. I can't lie you guys, because of course, you have to be nervous because you have to do something different, like other songs.
Yeah, from what we already had.
That's the reason why I try to find someone. He's a good artist and just on writing. I think you know him, Rumaga, just to help me and try to figure out how we can do something, something different and something good, Yeah. And we did it. Everybody told me like the lyrics is on top.
So how did wifey feel about acting in the song? Was she nervous? Was she like, okay, I got this?
Actually, she was nervous because I sang the song just at my wedding. Then she was there. The MC tell her to get up and wait. There's a surprise for her. So I came through and I started, singing, and she was like, I'm gonna, because everybody was just everybody was hyped about the song, and she was like, she's gonna watch me or she's gonna watch the public.
Yeah.
So she was kind of nervous. She didn't know.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But she did so well. You couldn't tell.
For the first time.
Yes. Yeah. So can we hear your voice, something small, like an a cappella before you leave? Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
But we also have 2 more requests, obviously.
Yeah.
After he gives the a cappella, he sings your song, he sings mine, and then
we go.
Okay. Yeah. Cool.
Let's go.
So, you want me to sing?
Identity. Yeah.
Yeah. I like the second part.
I like it too.
Oh. Yongora mutwe baby mbanumvutana agenda ngakurikira intambwe zawe ngusanga baby wangejeje kuri destiny finally mpinduye identity Kigali girl you my fantasy hallelujah c'est la vie mais la fille blessed negukanye umwana sha nanjye nzamurinde icyatuma Baby, this is the day, no more waiting. Baby, this is the day, no more waiting. Baby, this is the day, no more waiting. This is the day, no more waiting. There we go.
We can't, our voices, we can't kill it.
Embarrass you live in the studio.
But
So,
I love that part. That was amazing. Yeah. So can you, what is one of your favorite old school songs from back in the day?
I have mine. But
Okay.
first tell us.
No. Go ahead, because you all right, go ahead.
You're a fan.
Suiza, ibyo nakubwiye.
Oh, yeah, Suiza,
Okay, let's hear a little bit of that.
Oh, you want me to sing that
Yeah.
one? Okay. Umunsi wa mbere duhura nananiwe kwihangana ndakwigera mubwira ko ngukunda undeba neza nsubiza neza mu kajwi keza akajwi keza k'ikinyabupfura umbwira uti humura nzakubwira ejo none dore ejo bibaye icyumweru none dore ejo bibaye ukwezi gezaho subiza. All right, the public.
That was amazing. Thank you so much for being here.
Yeah.
We cannot wait for you to come back to your home country again.
Yeah.
We always love having the legends around.
Yeah, of course, I will.
Yeah.
Very soon, because even my wife, she's still here.
Yeah.
I'm going back to see the way she can come right there. So
yeah.
I will
definitely
come
be
back.
back.
Yeah.
All right. And congratulations.
Yeah, thank you so much,
Yes.
guys.
Say hi to her.
Yeah,
We
I will.
loved
I will.
to see what she did on the video. It was really amazing.
Yo, by the way, you didn't tell me how she did act.
She really did.
I did.
She did it?
Amazing.
Okay. Yo, babe, you got the compliment.
Yes. Yes.
Were you about to say babe? You're not allowed to.
Babe Wabandi.
Yeah.
Yes. So that was Emmy in the studio. Thank you so much for being here.
Yeah, thank you.
We still have a lot more in store. Stay tuned. This is still the Morning Cafe.
All right. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Emmy. That was amazing.
All right. Yeah. Thank
Yes.
you.
So it will pass on tomorrow morning.
7
I can send
a.m.
you the details, but it's 7 a.m. and 11 a.m.